How to set up Bell Wi-Fi pods. In this video, I'll show you how to set up Bell Wi-Fi pods. So to get started, go ahead and plug in the pod. So insert the Wi-Fi pod into a power outlet in the area where you want better coverage. Wait for the light on the bottom of the pod to turn solid green. This means it's connected to your network and it may take up to 5 minutes. Then after that, download the app. Depending on your pod model, download either the Bell Wi-Fi app for Bell branded pods or the TP-Link Deco app for TP-Link Power Pods, available on the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Now connect to your network. Ensure your smartphone is connected to your Bell Home Wi-Fi, and then open the app and sign in or create an account. Then after that, go ahead and add the pod. In the app, follow prompts to add a new pod. The app will automatically detect the pod and link it to your mesh network. And that is how you can basically set up the Wi-Fi pods.